Oh, hey, welcome to Ask the Expert on YouTube from IWA.com. I'm Dan Danowski, the expert from IWA.com. We're going to answer a heating and cooling question today. Okay, kids, let's go. Actually, this content is not intended for children. Children should not be handling a home heating and air conditioning unit in any way. They're for adults. Ideally, adults of moderate intelligence. So if you're a moron, like, I don't know, go somewhere else, find out what PewDiePie's doing. Anyway, which car company was the first to offer air conditioning in its cars? Okay, so the air conditioning in cars, like, who has a car that doesn't have an air conditioner? I mean, if you do, you're a weirdo, right? I mean, everybody's got an air conditioner, car, heater, whatever. Obviously, cars predate air conditioning. The first Model T didn't come off the line with a heating and cooling system in it. I mean, I guess it had a heater, it had an engine, but my point is, the first conventional air conditioner put in a car was put in by the Packard Motor Company in 1939. Now, it was a bit difficult to use, not super effective, but, you know, as a luxury thing, like, hey, come to Packard, and we'll keep you cold in your car, probably driven by your manservant, Ron, whatever. Anyway, so it didn't become very common to have air conditioning in lots of different cars. Like, if your parents bought a car in the 60s, they probably didn't have air conditioning in it. Might have if they were rich. But anyway, 1980s, that's when everything becomes ubiquitous. And everybody's got an air conditioner car. You don't have to roll the windows down anymore. Yeah, okay, bye. Oh, hey, do you have a question about the Packard Motor Company and why it didn't exist anymore? Don't ask that. I don't know anything about automotive history. Ask questions about HVAC. Okay, bye.